Hi everyone. In today's video, I'll show you how to automatically create support tickets from WhatsApp messages. As we know, customers often message on WhatsApp to report issues, request updates, or ask for assistance. But as business grows, managing customer support through WhatsApp alone can become messy. The team will keep juggling between WhatsApp and CRM. Conversations pile up, follow-ups are missed, and resolving customer issues efficiently becomes difficult. Today, we will see how to tackle these issues with PepperCloud AI WhatsApp CRM. First, let's log into CRM. Let me add email ID and password and click Login. To begin with, we need to first enable the ticketing module. For this, click on Settings and go to Customization. Scroll down and click Ticket. Here, we can enable the ticketing module. We can also set up service level agreements and predefine the SLA escalation matrix by adding users. If we would like to update channel-wise settings, we can do that too. For this, let's go to Integration, click Channels. Go to the channel you want to modify and click Update Channel Settings. Here you can update the ticket assignment rule and SLA configurations. Now let's see WhatsApp ticketing in action. For this, we have to go to the Message module to see. You can see here, we have received a message. Let's open this message and go to Sessions. Here you can see the support ticket is automatically created. You can also see all the relevant data such as the SLA details and stages. Let's go to Ticket module now. Here you can see the entire list of tickets. We can also export the tickets. For this, let's go back to Message module. Click on the three dots and go to Export Tickets. You can also see ticket status and your support team performance in real time. For that, go to the dashboard and click on Tickets. Here you can see SLA reports, user performance overview, user status overview, and more. So that's how you can automatically create support tickets on WhatsApp. To set up WhatsApp ticketing for your business, talk to us today.